guys, it's Serena, and for today's video I'm going to be filming a really glam look. So I basically did like a half cut crease with some glitter in the middle, a big wing liner, huge lashes, a dark lip, and a beaming highlight. Oh, so yeah, this look is super duper dramatic. I just was playing with makeup today and I was like, why not film a really pretty glam look for you guys that you guys can wear to some special occasion or even to the grocery store. Hey, I'm not judging. So before you guys finish watching this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already and click that bell notification button so you'll be notified every time I post a video. Also follow me on all my social media sites if you haven't already. They will all be linked down below in the down bar as well as the end card of this video, and especially follow me on Instagram because I've been working really hard on like my feed and stuff. Not like really hard to like impress anybody, but like just working like hard on posting more consistently and trying to do more fashion posts and just cute things on my Insta. So if you do not follow me already, go ahead and do that. It will be right here. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just continue to watch. Guys, so I'm starting off this tutorial using the Urban Decay Primer Potion, and this is just the shade Eden, and I'm putting that all over my lid with a flat brush. And yeah, I'll be using the James Charles palette for this look. I love this palette. It is so good, so good. So I'm taking the James Charles X Morphe palette, and first I'm starting off with the shade 10% off on a fluffy Morphe brush and just putting that all in my crease. I wanted to make these clips not sped up just so you can see how much I'm blending. Then I'm going in with a smaller detailed brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'm taking the No Bean shade and putting that lower in my crease and kind of blending it upwards. Also, this tutorial is mostly focused on the eyes, a highlight, and like lashes and lips. I didn't focus so much on the face for this look just because it's the same foundation routine I always do, so I hope you guys don't mind that too much. After I went in with a fluffy brush and blended out all the edges, I'm taking my two concealers, the Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting Concealer and the Makeup Revolution Concealer. I just took those two shades because one was my skin tone and one was a little bit lighter, or a lot lighter than my skin tone, just mixing them to make like a nice tan shade and cutting out my crease halfway. And then I'm going to be spraying my brush with some like Fix Plus or Mario Badescu spray. I didn't really show that part, but I'm taking the shade 10, or not 10% off, So Good. It's the shimmery shade in the palette, the third one. And yeah, it's super pretty. I put that on the place I carved my crease, and then I'm just going back with 10% off, blending that on the outer corner, and then following up with No Beans on the very outer corner. So I literally used 3 shadows for this look. Super duper easy and a very glam. Then I'm taking my NYX glitter primer and also this glitter from Makeup for Melanin Girls. It's like a pressed glitter. I'll have all the names and everything down below, but I'm taking that and putting that in the center of my lid, and it was a little bit too coppery for me, and I wanted to make it a little bit more lighter champagne gold. So I took my Urban Decay glitter liner in the shade Midnight Cowboy, I believe, and I just put that on top of the Makeup for Melanin Girls liner, or not liner, glitter. And I'm just going back into the palette and taking the shade 10% off, and also taking No Beans and putting that on my lower lash line and blending it out. As you guys can see, I already added a winged liner with my NYX liner as I usually do, so that's nothing new. And I already did my face routine and baked, so I wanted to kind of show you guys the basics of this glam look and not so much the face. Then I'm taking my NARS eyeliner and I'm putting that in my waterline just to brighten up. Then I'm taking the Kim Tai Lashes by Cake Face Beauty in the style Lionhearted, and I'm taking my Loreal Gilded Honey highlighter, and it's so poppin'. Y'all should definitely get it. So I'm putting that on and making sure I put it on the tip of my nose, inner corners, and brow bone. And then to make it sparkle a little bit more or whatever, I'm taking La Peach from Artist Couture, the collab with Jackie Aina. This is such a pretty highlighter on my skin tone, so I'm just gonna tap that on my face just so it's like pressed into my skin, because it's a loose highlighter, you don't really want to smear it too much. And then just making sure I put it on my nose, inner corner, stuff like that as well. I'm just going to be lining my lips with the lip liner from ColourPop. It's in the shade K. This one's discontinued because it was a collaboration with Karrueche, but the BFF3 one is just as similar. And then taking the Makeup for Melanin Girls liquid lipstick in the shade Rust and just tapping that onto my lips. And I'm finishing up with the Morphe setting spray, and the look is complete. guys, that's the end of my super glam makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I absolutely love how this look turned out. It's so cute and literally everything is so dramatic and so glam. And I used some products from Makeup for Melanin Girl Cosmetics. I'm on their PR list and affiliate with them, so if you guys do want to save some coins on some of the products I used, the links for it and the codes will be down below. But yeah, y'all, if you guys do end up recreating this look, let me know by tagging me. I'd love to see your guys' beautiful looks. Before you guys leave this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also click those bell notification buttons so you'll be notified every time your girl posts. Also follow me on all my social media sites. You guys know the drill. They will all be linked down below in the down bar as well as the end card of this video. And also follow me on my Instagram. I told you guys before the video started. Yeah, so make sure you follow me. She's right here. Period. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys are having a beautiful new year and doing everything you said you would do and accomplish and just have true happiness. And I will see you guys in my next video. All right, bye guys. Oh my gosh, this is my freaking song, bro. I can't get